All right, Shalom. First, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai, Bahasham, Rakha, Quadash. Double honors to the apostles of Great Millstone, and peace and blessings to the elect. This is an article from rtnews.com. And yeah, as you can see, it says, senior Iranian commander killed in drone strike on his car near Iraqi-Syrian border. This is from reports. And this is after the assassination of the Iranian nuclear scientist. All right, so we're going to read this real quick. It says a senior commander of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps was killed in a drone strike near the Syrian-Iraqi border Sunday night, according to reports just 2 days after the assassination of Iran's top nuclear scientist. All right, and this is very interesting news. All right, in the beginning of the year, they took out the general, Qasem Soleimani, and then just, 3 days ago, they took out the Iranian nuclear scientists, and now they done taken out a senior commander of the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, all right, through a drone strike. So who did this? Well, we're gonna find out in soon, man. But what you see going on is really the Lord is putting the spirit, all right, upon these different nations, whether it's Israel or the U.S. or whoever's doing it, to provoke, all right, and stir up that spirit, as it tells you in the book of 2nd Ezra, the 15th chapter, about the Carmanians raging in wrath, all right. So the Lord is stirring up that spirit, okay, that's going to ultimately lead these nations to that war. It says the IRGC commander and 3 of his escorts reportedly died after his car was struck by an unmanned aerial vehicle near the border, according to multiple media outlets citing Iraqi officials. The drone strike is said to have targeted the senior commander after he entered Syria via Al-Qaim border, crossing from Iraq. So it seems that whoever's doing this is trying to provoke. All right, they're really trying to provoke something out of Iran. It says there were also reports that the men's bodies have been transferred to the Iraqi capital, Baghdad. Iran has not confirmed or denied any of the reports. So within the coming hours and, days, they'll come out and confirm whether this is true, whether it's not, whatever the case may be. All right. But, Iran is what you're hearing in the news more and more and more. OK, because that, Iran plays a key factor as well in prophecy. All right. In terms of, Israel, Iran, the U.S., Russia, all these nations, which are going to be drawn in. All right, it's going to be likened onto a vortex that is going to draw in all of these nations. All right. It says the alleged attack comes after leading Iranian nuclear scientist Mohsen this guy's name, man, Fakhrizadeh was shot dead on Friday north of Tehran, with Iranian officials blaming Israel for his assassination. So let it come out that Israel did this. It says, it's going to be a very interesting year that's coming up. It says, speaking at a funeral procession for, let's call him by his first name, Mohsen. All right, on Monday, Iran's defense minister, Brigadier General Amir Hatami, said the crime would not go unanswered. On January 3rd, the U.S. killed Iranian General Qasem Soleimani, leader of the Quds force, in a drone strike shortly after he left Baghdad airport, claiming that he had plotted attacks against America. And now, getting to the end of the year, you have another one of their generals, all right, which has now been killed in a drone strike, reportedly. All right, it says the incident marked the start of a severe escalation in tensions between Tehran and Washington, and Iran retaliated by launching a series of strikes on U.S. forces based in Iraq. All right, so what we're seeing now is just as Yahweh Shai said. Okay, let's go to that real quick. In the book of Matthew, chapter 24, verse 6, it says what? And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. So what we're seeing are what? These rumors of wars. We're hearing about these rumors of wars. Iranian general gets killed. This there. You know, is it gonna spark into this or that? Now it makes sense that these things the Lord is causing these spirits to rise now. All right, because we're very close to that time of the mark of the beast, the RFID microchip being implemented, and we know that right after that, all right, soon or shortly after that, you're gonna have the destruction by way of this this thermonuclear war. You know, so really thinking about it, they don't just say, hey, we declare war today and tomorrow the whole of America is destroyed and World War III is full blown. It escalates, so they could start it now, and just continue to let it build until the point where it actually goes nuclear, but hey, as the scriptures say, man, prophecy will be fulfilled. So this is just interesting news. All right, I guess you could call it breaking news. It came out today. So, hey, things are definitely picking up, man. All right, things are definitely picking up. As the scriptures say, it is time for the Lord to work. All right, for they have made void thy law. All right. So with that, I hope you were edified and informed. In closing, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakha, Kodash. Until next time, Shalom.